make something of things in my fridge. I have salmon, I have every ingredient to make a curry paste. I have long beans, I have makut lime leaves, I have Thai basil known as bai horo pa. So what comes to mind is a pot prick king. With the rice on, it's the most important thing. 1 to 1. That's it. 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water. I say this so many times. Here's an analogy. If you have 1 container of rice, it's 1 container of water. That's it. You must have a drink while you're doing this. Oh, man. Let's go. Maybe a little water just to kind of pick up all the starch there. Of course, I actually wanted to add shrimp paste to that paste and forgot, and I cleaned the mortar already, so let me show you another technique. We can cook the paste and the shrimp paste separately, and it's actually going to accentuate the shrimp paste flavor more instead of canceling it out, so it's going to make for a different dish, but it's another technique to keep in mind. As per normal, I cannot stress enough, get all of your ingredients together so you can look at them beautifully visually, and it will lead to success when you stir fry. With a good amount of oil in the wok, we're gonna add the curry paste and the shrimp paste together and stir until it's dissolved into the oil, and then you're gonna continue cooking it out until the oil becomes really red. You'll see the chili oil separating basically from the paste. We're gonna also add the palm sugar at this point, which is gonna deepen the color almost instantly, give us great caramelization, and keep stirring that around until you really smell all the ingredients coming out before proceeding on to adding the vegetables and a bit of water, which will stop the cooking and stop the sauteing. This helps us build a sauce here, and it's gonna allow for us to add back the deep fried salmon, and it's gonna conclude our slow motion segment here. See the color, need that light. I'm gonna add some water, which will allow me to season it and get some time here. Check out this color. A little fish sauce. Basically 2 to 1 fish sauce. Chicken, add back the salmon. Be very gentle here, very gentle. Let me give you a little light bite here. Salmon's actually really nice for this, although of course not traditional.
Catfish is more traditional, or snakehead fish. But salmon is so fatty and nice. So let me just get some rice, a little chili. You gotta make it. Just trust.